guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, like, and comment. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get into this video. So this is my wash day routine, and basically what I'm doing first is just taking down my hair, of course, and then I'm gonna go ahead and detangle my hair before I shampoo and condition it. I use Style Factor to slick my hair up, and that Style Factor had my hair slick, like it wasn't going nowhere, okay? So like I said, I'm going to go ahead and just wet my hair down and detangle it before I start shampooing it. If you don't detangle your hair before you start to shampoo it, it's going to be very hard to detangle. It's going to be very matted, and you don't want that. Especially being a curly girl, you want to go ahead and detangle your hair before you get started. So after you're done detangling, go ahead and grab your shampoo and conditioner. This Chi, y'all, is so good. I love it. It's very moisturizing, especially if you struggle with dry hair. Go ahead and get that. It's going to do wonders for you. Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and apply my deep conditioner all over my hair. It's called CoCo Repair by Aunt Jackie's. I really like it. It's pretty good. But I usually use Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Deep Conditioner. I usually use that whole line, but I just went ahead and used Chi for this video. I'll do another one, of course, using that. Okay, so now I'm just going to apply my hot oil treatment to my scalp. And I'm just going to massage that in. It's mixed with olive oil, avocado oil, and Jamaican black castor oil. You can get those from the grocery store. The avocado oil and the olive oil you can get from the store. But the Jamaican black castor oil I got from my local beauty supply. So after you're done applying the oil, you want to go ahead and just massage it into your scalp. When you massage it into your scalp, it's just helping with the blood circulation, just to help with hair growth. So after you're done massaging the oil into your scalp, you want to go ahead and put a processing cap on and sit under the blow dryer for about 30 minutes under warm or hot heat, just to let that oil just penetrate your scalp and your hair follicles, just to help with that hair growth. Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and apply my leave-in. It's the Superfruit Multivitamin leave-in from Shea Moisture. Well, you can leave it in or you can rinse it out, but I'm leaving mine in. Now, you want to also get your dimming brush. The dimming brush really just helps to clump the curls together, really define your curls if you like a more defined rather than frizzy look. You want to go ahead and get that dimming brush. I don't really recommend detangling with it. I would really recommend detangling with a wide tooth comb first and then going in and using a dimming brush, but I don't think I was able to find my wide tooth comb. I think I set it somewhere far and I couldn't find it, so I just went ahead and used my dimming brush. I also like to make sure my hair is soaking wet before I apply my product. I don't know, it's always helped for me because I like my curls to look more defined rather than frizzy. So I just like to make sure my hair is soaking wet while I'm putting the product in, and I'm usually very generous with the product. But I didn't have much left in that bottle, so I only used what was left of it, and I tried to use all of it. Look at them curls, period. That's why I love using the dimming brush to clump my curls together and make them look more defined, because it really helps. So I'm just basically going to repeat the same thing on the other side. Nothing too fancy, nothing too special, just the same thing. Go ahead and wet the hair down first and then add the leave-in conditioner. Look at them curls. Curls for the girls. Stop playing with me, period. Excuse my laugh, don't judge me. I know it's horrible. But anyways, go ahead and apply that product, girl. Don't be scared. Slap that product on there as much as you need and just work it through. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and use Style Factor to slick my edges down, get them baby hairs right, period. But I usually used to use Eco Styler, but for some reason I haven't been picking it up. I just been using Style Factor a lot lately, but I really do like the way Eco make my edges look. A lot of people say that it flakes and that's why they don't like it, but Style Factor flakes as well. All you have to do is just get some oil, apply a little bit of oil to your edges where it's flaky at, and you're gonna be good to go. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and get my diffuser and just diffuse my hair. Usually I use a diffuser when I want my curls to look more, well, when I want my hair to look more voluminous. But I hope this video really helped you guys. I'll go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to see more of these, go ahead and comment down below. Just let me know what you guys want to see. Thanks for watching.